Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2.5 liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. We do get a tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, we got some nice looking steel rims on here, some nice black trim as well. And moving to the front, we do get your classic Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, carpeted interior, with some storage here. You got plenty of door space in the back. You got under-seat storage as well, with a hook and two USB-Cs. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space in the front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, gas cap, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 7.8 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with your drive modes, toggle free screen, phone, voice and media, volume mute, and cruise control, digital speedometer, RPMs, all the usuals, with my view, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone and other settings. We have our drive modes right here with normal, sport, tow and haul, with your lovely eco and slippery. To my right, we get cup holders, tons of storage with parking brake, your traction control. You got your outlets right here for charging and your center console. Pretty nice. Volume, playback, play forward with calm screen, hazards, auto hold, and max temp with storage below. Storage on the dash with a nice big infotainment system with audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. All your climate controls at the bottom. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. We got your phone controls here with your settings. Pretty easy to use. As well as your features of the vehicle. And apps such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and shifting to reverse, we got that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB20122, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.